If you're curious why this bull market could be a XRP supercycle or why XRP can play a very big role in this bull market cycle, then this video is for you. There have been many prophecies about XRP reaching astronomical numbers like 10,000 US dollars. We've seen it from multiple people who have been seeing dreams about this.
If you have XRP, hang on to it. Don't sell. Don't sell. Please. Big mistake. Big mistake if you don't sell. Oh my gosh.
But something starting with an X and it has a P in it is a very profound something that's going to be worth investing in.
Then in a vision, I see XRP go to $5.
But how could this actually manifest? What is going on in the background? What are the most important signs fundamentally that we are seeing right now that can back these claims up? And the answer is very simple. The answer lays in this protocol, ISO20022. You probably have known about SWIFT payment system. SWIFT is an international cross-border payment protocol which banks used, mainly all banks, to make cross-border payments. So if you are sending a transaction from the United States to Russia, you are making use of the SWIFT protocol, SWIFT technology. SWIFT is going to be leave, and this one is being adopted. Is going to be the new standard of the financial protocol to make cross-border payments. That is ISO 20022. So you gotta imagine, guys, there is a new protocol being deployed globally, right? This is worldwide. It's not only for the United States or only for Russia. No, it's worldwide because it is about transactions that are crossing borders, that from one country to another country, right? And the nice thing with this new protocol is that some cryptocurrency blockchains which are using ledger technology, they are compatible with this protocol, which basically means with this protocol you can send money, but with this protocol you can also send certain cryptocurrencies. And if I'm going to tell you which cryptocurrencies you can send with this protocol or which cryptocurrencies are compatible with this protocol, you are going to be mind blown because most of them are pumping crazy right now. And of course, I'm going to start with the main topic of this video. XRP is compatible with ISO 20022. Ripple even has a page on it on their website. They have a one page where they explain, but Ripple basically built on top of this protocol. They built Ripple so it can be compatible with this protocol, because Ripple is the big liquidity provider for this protocol in terms of cryptocurrencies that is using this protocol. Then of course we have XLM, we have HBAR, HBAR, we have Algorand, and guys, all these coins are exploding right now. Ripple has been exploding, XLM has been exploding, HBAR has been exploding, Algorand has been exploding. If you wonder why these tokens are exploding right now, the answer is very simple, because these tokens are compatible with the new financial international protocol that is being deployed worldwide, which makes it very easy to send money or crypto using this protocol that will be used by many banks and institutions. And the reason why Ripple will be or could be a very big player this bull market, first of all, because it's compatible with this new payment protocol that will be used worldwide. I mean, this will be deployed on the 25th of November 2025. This will be international standard will be ISO 20022, which you can send Ripple with as well. Ripple already has a lot of partnerships with banks. Ripple has a very big liquidity provider. That's not with, for example, Stellar, XLM. That's why Ripple can be a very stable factor in the adoption of cryptocurrencies combined with traditional finance as we know it. So Ripple can actually act like a bridge. But I gonna think one step ahead. You got to think about in terms of infrastructure, right? So when the infrastructure later is there with this new protocol, you can easily send Ripple using this protocol, but also digital dollars. If the value of the dollar is decreasing or the dollar might collapse, we still have the international infrastructure which is compatible with Ripple. And that really makes sense why we are seeing some people having these astronomical price predictions for XRP, because if XRP is going to be the main player of this new protocol and is going to take maybe 5% or 10% from the transactions that are being done on this protocol, then we can really see some significant price increase with XRP. But the crazy thing right here is, of course, that how could people predict this? Because XRP, especially in the previous bull market, has not been making new all-time highs. A lot of people, including me, who are actually thinking like, hey, what's going on with XRP? What's going on? We haven't seen many action yet for quite a while. We have been 7 years in a consolidation period, but we have all these people who dream about XRP, have prophetic dreams. We have people who predicted, who actually had a vision of Trump getting shot in his ear before it happened. So we have legit prophecies from people talking so much about XRP, right? But right now, this is starting to manifest because the wheels are turning, because we are seeing a change in the climate around XRP and Ripple. So the change in climate is, of course, Donald Trump becoming president, because when Donald Trump becomes president, Gary Gensler, the head of the SEC right now, the Securities and Exchange Commission in the United States, has been filing or has been suing XRP for the past years, making it impossible to get positive news, making it very difficult for XRP to be regulated, to be accepted, to do business. So then we get a situation that the problem of Ripple, which are all these lawsuits, are leaving. Gary Gensler is resigning. That's already a fact. He already announced that. Donald Trump becomes president, right? He is pro-crypto. He definitely going to give some green lights in terms of regulations for XRP. And you can see the perfect storm brewing right here. You have a very good climate. You have already the partnerships. The infrastructure is built. Liquidity is going to Ripple. We already see evidence in the charts. Ripple's breaking out. If you want to see more about that, check my previous video where I'm talking about that. But basically, this is probably the reason or the potential reason why XRP could be the shining star of this bull market. And if people ask you like, hey, why are you investing in XRP? Then maybe send them this video. They can have a look. I'll put some links down below in the description so you can look at this website. You can do your own research, but it looks like that right now there is a international standard being rolled out, a new protocol. And yeah, one of the only cryptocurrencies that are compatible with this protocol is XRP, and the other ones that are compatible, which is XLM, Habar, Algorand, that are other platforms that are also exploding. So maybe we are not going to see that meme supercycle, or maybe we are going to see it parallel, but I do think that we are going to see a lot of liquidity flowing to the tokens that are compatible with the new international standard of international payments globally. Guys, that was it for today's video. I wanted to keep it short explanation on how or why XRP could reach these astronomical numbers this bull market. This is a potential narrative which you can already anticipate, right? Do your own research. Don't invest because I say it. Just do your own research. That is always the best to do. Drop a thumbs up if you like this video. Check my other videos where I have a bigger deep dive into the prophecies about XRP, which are also very interesting. And yeah, I want to wish you all a beautiful day and hope to see every single one of you in the next video. Bye bye.